Bittensor may experience a 2.2% loss by May 29, Traders Union projects. First, let's break down what's been happening lately. Right now, Bittensor has slipped by 4.5% in the past 24 hours and is holding around $261.98. Let's break down today's forecast range. Traders Union expects the price to fall toward $256.20 tomorrow, marking a loss of 2.2%. CoinDataFlow expects Bittensor to retreat to $257.48, a projected drop of about 1.7%. CoinCodex notes it may edge up to $262.67, marking an increase of 0.3%. A different prediction by CoinLore expects Bittensor to reach $264.50, an estimated gain of 1%. To conclude, digital coin price projects $271.52 by tomorrow. That's 3.6% above where the price is now. This stands as the most lucrative forecast. That's all for the forecast calls. Let's continue the analysis. With all expert forecasts in, here's what it adds up to. From the full spread of predictions, the potential movement in price lies between a drop of 2.2% and an increase of 3.6%, depending on the analyst. So it turns out, digital coin price offers the highest projected return with 3.6% gain in value by tomorrow. As a result, you might end up with between $3 and $36 for every $1,000 you invest. By probability measures, CoinCodex's forecast is at the top of the chart with a 96.1% chance of success. After reviewing all forecasts, I've created one combined consensus picture. Consensus estimates indicate Bittensor hovering near $262.47. Let's dive into the numbers. The consensus readout shows the price up about 0.2% by tomorrow. To make it clear, your capital may rise by roughly 0.2% as well, in alignment with that outcome. On 1,000, this projection could equal a potential gain of $2. According to the consensus, the likelihood of this outcome is estimated at about 96.3%. To continue, let's examine the short-term 3-day expectations. A bearish outlook is projected by Traders Union, pointing to a decline. CoinDataFlow expects Bittensor to rise over the next few days. CoinCodex signals a steady decline. Additionally, CoinLore expects Bittensor to head lower. An upward push is signaled by digital coin price. Consensus projections show Bittensor leaning toward lower levels in the near term. Summing up, 60% of projections indicate a tilt to the downside for Bittensor. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's see which ones held up yesterday. As a result, the price ended the day at $266.72. The majority of analysts turned out correct about the direction. If the focus is accuracy, crypto predictions was ahead of the rest. Time to check the outcome in detail. 4 predictions matched the span of the daily candle. For ROI, every forecast performed well, with the peak return at 7.3%. Now showing the performance check. How each analyst's forecast matched reality. For reference, CoinPrice Forecast posted a forecast probability of 95.5%, accuracy and 0.9% ROI. Try to spot whose forecast turned out the most precise. Now let's check how the projected returns for tomorrow line up between Bittensor and a few alternatives. In tomorrow's forecast ranking, Bittensor stands at 5th place and near tops the list with 3.9%. This quick view includes 5 cryptocurrencies, and broader cross-asset forecasts are now live on my website. That's all, everyone. If you enjoyed the breakdown or found it helpful, please drop a like. It really helps. Talk soon.